Hello, I'm Mark Brodhagen, Dr. Mark from Green Bay, Wisconsin, here for the course this weekend, and it's been absolutely awesome. All the information that we're getting at this meeting has really been helpful to extend all of our practices and everything like that. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bonnie Foster from Warrenton, Virginia. I'm also here taking the course with Mayor Patel. I've taken pretty much every course that I possibly could take with Mayor, and I have to tell you, between Nierman and Dr. Patel, they put on a fabulous course.
Hi, Dr. Paul Bishop from Decatur, Alabama, here taking the oral appliance therapy course with Dr. Patel. And Frank from True Function. Been a great weekend. Got to meet Bonnie, got to meet Mark, new best friends, and really excited to interact with Nierman, Practice Management Scope, John, and the rest of the bunch, and had a great weekend.